Hi everyone. My name is Dave and welcome to Hey It's a Great Life. Today we will look at the most expensive neighborhoods in New York City. Hopefully you have an extra $5.7 million to spend. That's what wealthy New Yorkers typically shelled out for a residence in Hudson Yards. The most expensive neighborhood in the city. Real estate sales rebounded 88% from April to June compared to the same span last year, when the coronavirus pandemic hit its height in the city. Hit hard by the pandemic, New York City's real estate market is proving its resilience once again, as the vaccine rollout increasingly allows life to approach normal. Buyer appetite has returned with a vengeance. The pandemic ground New York City's real estate sector down to a halt. The slowdown did have some happy side effects for renters, who saw leases come with more concessions and, ultimately, lower prices. But landlords worried about a complete financial washout, as did their counterparts in real estate. And headlines about a dead New York grew and grew. The city's rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine and ensuing reopening appears to have allayed some of those fears. A recent study found 600% more contracts were signed in Manhattan from April to June than during the same time in 2020. The busiest quarter since at least 2004. Many already wealthy neighborhoods are now getting more expensive again. Median prices rose by double digits in 40 of the city's 55 most expensive neighborhoods. And what are the city's most expensive neighborhoods? Hudson Yards, $5,714,000. Soho, $2,619,000. Little Italy, $2 million. Flatiron District, $1,925,000. West Village, $1,776,000. Dumbo, $1,490,000. Chelsea, $1,480,000. Most of those neighborhoods are in Manhattan, which remains the most expensive borough. But prices overall grew in Brooklyn more, 18% above last year, with median prices at $828,000. The most expensive Brooklyn neighborhoods after Dumbo were Cobble Hill and downtown Brooklyn,